Before you were born, the game already assigned you a hidden stat you never got to choose. It was locked in from day one. Your eye color isn't just cosmetic, it is a coded signal buried deep inside your DNA, running silently from the moment you spawned. And that signal reveals surprising things about your health, your pain tolerance, and even your core personality type. Most players walk around every single day completely unaware of what their own eyes are actively broadcasting to the world. Today, we are cracking open that hidden stat sheet and reading every single line out loud together. Let's boot up. Ignoring this data does not make it inactive. The system runs in the background, whether you choose to watch it or not. Eye color is determined by one thing: melanin, the exact same pigment that controls your skin tone and your hair color. Brown-eyed players carry more melanin packed directly into the iris. That density acts as a powerful built-in UV shield. Blue-eyed players have less melanin and therefore less natural light filter. That means higher sensitivity to bright light damage. Without enough pigment, light scatters chaotically inside the eye, dramatically increasing both glare and overall UV vulnerability. Multiple studies confirm that light-eyed players carry a statistically higher risk of developing ocular melanoma. This is real data. Developer patch notes. A 2015 study in Epidemiology confirmed blue eyes correlate with significantly higher UV-related eye damage risk. This is not a scare tactic, it is a reminder. Knowing your own biological stats is exactly how you learn to play smarter. Here is where it gets genuinely interesting. Melanin does not just absorb light, it actively neutralizes dangerous free radicals too. Think of melanin as a passive defense skill, running silently in the background of your body, permanently active, zero cooldown required. Now here is the hidden stat most players never expect to see on their sheet. Eye color is directly linked to pain sensitivity. Research suggests dark-eyed individuals may experience and process pain signals very differently from their light-eyed counterparts in studies. Blue-eyed and green-eyed players reportedly show measurably higher sensitivity to pain across multiple independent clinical research studies. Patch notes. A Pittsburgh University study found light-eyed women tolerated significantly less pain during childbirth. Fully verified data. Your iris pigment connects directly to your neural pathways. The color on the outside is actively shaping the signals firing on the inside. Melanin exists deep inside the brain as well, specifically in the zones responsible for regulating your dopamine output and pain response. More melanin in the brain may translate directly to more efficient dopamine production. In game terms, that is a mood and focus buff. Brace yourself for this one. Eye color also appears to significantly affect how your body processes alcohol. Completely serious, no joke. Light-eyed players show a measurably higher statistical tendency toward developing alcohol dependency across multiple independent research samples. One theory suggests melanin levels affect how efficiently the brain's core reward circuitry processes and responds to addictive substances. Patch notes. A landmark 2000 study in the American Journal of Medical Genetics confirmed the direct eye color and alcohol sensitivity link. Now, let us talk about the rarest character build in the entire game. Only 2% of all humans on Earth carry green eyes. Green eyes emerged from a rare mutation, a unique combination of low melanin and a second separate pigment called pheomelanin working together. Getting green eyes requires an incredibly specific combination of gene variants aligning perfectly at the same time. Pure genetic lottery territory. Every eye color is a different build, not better, not worse. Each one uniquely optimized for a completely different set of life encounters. Now we are entering the zone most players love to argue about in the comments. Eye color and personality. Is the connection actually real? Several behavioral studies now confirm measurable personality pattern differences exist consistently and reproducibly across the major eye color groups. Brown-eyed players are consistently rated as the most trustworthy and approachable by complete strangers across behavioral research worldwide. Researchers believe that darker irises subconsciously signal genetic dominance to observers, automatically triggering deep involuntary social trust responses. Blue-eyed players players scored significantly higher in self-sufficiency, competitive drive, and long-term strategic planning across multiple behavioral assessments. One compelling theory connects this directly to the harsh and extreme competitive survival environments of Northern Europe, where blue eyes originally emerged. Hazel eyes, the true wildcard build, part brown, part green. Personality stats that actively shift and adapt depending on the surrounding environment. Hazel eyes genuinely shift and change their visible color based on ambient light conditions and surrounding colors in real time. A true adaptive build. Green-eyed players consistently rank at the top in creativity scores, curiosity ratings, and risk tolerance levels across major behavioral surveys worldwide. Here is where it gets genuinely wild. Research now suggests your eye color may directly influence your athletic reaction time on the field. Dead serious. Studies consistently suggest dark-eyed athletes react measurably faster to fast-moving objects during real-time athletic performance testing situations. Higher melanin density in the iris may directly improve visual signal processing speed to the brain, giving dark-eyed athletes a powerful real-time buff. Patch notes. A 1999 study in perceptual and motor skills confirmed dark-eyed subjects consistently outperformed in reactive sports tasks, peer-reviewed. But light-eyed players carry a powerful counter-advantage. Statistically superior and consistent performance across all self-paced, precision-based athletic tasks. Golf, bowling, archery. Any activity where timing is entirely self-controlled strongly and consistently favors the light-eyed build across the board. The game never gave one single build every advantage. It distributed the stats across all builds deliberately and precisely. Perfect balance by design. Let us go deeper into the actual source code now. Eye color is not controlled by just one gene. It is a full, interconnected system. The primary genes responsible are OCA2 and HERC2, working together to precisely control how much melanin your iris produces and stores over time. Brown eyes completely dominate the global player base at nearly 79% of all humans. Blue follows far behind at only 8 to 10%. Brown eyes were the original build, a critical sun protection adaptation forged over millennia in the extreme high UV environments clustered near the equator. Blue eyes emerged roughly 10,000 years ago from a single spontaneous genetic mutation that first appeared near the Baltic Sea region of Northern Europe. Every single blue-eyed person alive on Earth today shares that exact same original mutation. One common ancestor, one single historic code change. That means every blue-eyed player currently alive on this planet is running the exact same ancestral DLC package. Every one, all from one original source. We need to address something the tutorial screen never revealed. Hidden vulnerability stats buried deep inside your eye color build assignment at birth. Light-eyed individuals carry a confirmed and measurably higher genetic risk for developing age-related macular degeneration, appearing as a threat later in the game. Macular degeneration is one of the worst late-game debuffs, slowly corrupting your central vision over time, with no complete reset or cure available. The counter move is clear. Investing in high-quality UV-blocking sunglasses is the single most effective passive defense item available to you right now. Dark-eyed players are not fully immune to this threat either. Their melanoma risk moves internally, different organs targeted, but the very same threat family. The core takeaway from all of this: every eye color build carries hidden vulnerabilities. Knowing yours early is exactly how you counter them effectively. Because the final boss is not a virus or a disease. It is complete ignorance of your own biological build that has always been the real enemy here. Most players lose this fight not because they are weak, but because they never once stopped to carefully read their own biological stat sheet. Living life while ignoring your own genetic data is like entering a boss fight completely blindfolded. You might survive it, but almost certainly not. But the moment you truly understand your own build, your strategy shifts completely. Every single health decision you make becomes sharper and more precise. Light-eyed players equip certified UV protection every single day, without exception. Sunglasses are not cosmetic. They are core essential defensive gear. Dark-eyed players never skip your internal health checkups and screenings. Your melanoma risk is real. It just lives in completely different biological zones. If you are light-eyed and have always felt pain more intensely than others around you, you were never being dramatic. That is confirmed and verified real data. Researchers now believe that eye color should be recorded as a standard biological data point included in every single personalized medical treatment plan. Your eye color is a small but powerful key that opens access to a much larger map of personalized biological intelligence hidden inside your own body. No single eye color build wins this fight alone. The strongest strategy is deeply understanding every build's specific and unique role in the overall fight. insight. Ignorance, fully defeated. Knowledge, completely equipped. You just cleared one of the most underrated and overlooked levels in all of human biology. Here is your official post-battle loot drop reward. 3 real actions you can begin taking today based directly on everything you just learned in this video. Action 1. If you have blue, green, or hazel eyes, begin wearing certified UV-rated sunglasses outside every single day without any exception, starting now. Action 2. Book a professional eye health screening as soon as possible. Macular risk and pressure buildup are deadly silent and dangerous early game debuffs. Action 3. Tell your doctor directly that your pain sensitivity runs consistently higher than average. This is a biological fact, never an emotional weakness. You arrived thinking eye color was purely cosmetic. You are leaving knowing it is one of the most data-rich and revealing stats your biological build carries. In the very next video, we are cracking open your blood type and revealing exactly what it tells us about your hidden disease resistance stats. Your blood type is not just a medical label, it is a complete defensive build profile that you have been running silently in the background since the day you were born. If this video leveled up your knowledge at all today, hit that like button right now. That single tap tells the algorithm this content deserves to reach more players. Subscribe and join the official player base, where we decode your human biology, one powerful game mechanic at a time. Always free, always worth it. This is Level Up Biology. Your body is the most complex and intricate game ever built by nature. We are here together to learn exactly how to play it.